Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you traders and market enthusiasts out there. If you've ever wanted to analyze stocks, charts, and indicators like a pro, Tradingview is the go-to platform. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to create your own Tradingview account. It's quick, easy, and totally free, so let's get started right away. First things first, fire up your web browser and head over to the Tradingview website. Just type in tradingview.com into your search bar and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a bunch of cool charts and tools, but don't get distracted yet. Look for the Sign Up button. It's usually right at the top of the page, maybe in the header or next to the login option. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the registration page. Now, here's where you choose how to sign up. Tradingview gives you options like using your email address, Google account, or even Apple ID. If you're going with email, enter a valid address, then pick a strong password. Remember, make it something secure with letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. They'll also ask for your username, which is what other users will see you as on the platform. Double-check everything to avoid any typos. After you fill in the details, hit the Create Account or Sign Up button. Tradingview might send a verification email to your inbox, so keep an eye out for that. Click the verification link inside the email to activate your account. Once that's done, you're in. You'll be logged in automatically and can start exploring features like custom indicators, watch lists, and community ideas. One quick tip. If you're new to Tradingview, take a moment to customize your dashboard. It's a game changer for tracking your favorite stocks. And if you run into any issues, their help section is pretty straightforward. There you have it. Your Tradingview account is set up and ready to go. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.